Welcome back to Wheels Vibe, the channel where we explore the world's most fascinating machines, from the roads to the skies. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about unmanned aerial vehicles of the modern era, the Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish-made unmanned combat aerial vehicle, often referred to as a UCAV. Developed by the Turkish defense company Bayraktar, this drone has transformed modern battlefield strategies and become a symbol of how drone warfare is reshaping military operations around the world. Unlike traditional fighter jets that require a pilot on board, the TB2 is remotely operated, allowing missions to be carried out without risking a pilot's life. Let's talk about design first. The Bayraktar TB2 has a sleek, aerodynamic body with a wingspan of about 12 meters. Its lightweight composite structure allows it to stay airborne for extended periods, up to 24 hours in some configurations. That endurance is a game changer. Imagine having eyes in the sky for an entire day without interruption. This makes it highly effective for surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike missions. Its operational altitude can reach around 27,000 feet, giving it a wide field of view and a tactical advantage. Powering the TB2 is a single propeller engine mounted at the rear in a pusher configuration. This setup improves aerodynamics and keeps the front clear for advanced sensors and cameras. The drone is equipped with electro-optical and infrared cameras, laser rangefinders, and targeting systems that allow it to identify and track targets with impressive accuracy. It can transmit real-time video back to its ground control station, enabling operators to make informed decisions instantly. But what truly sets the Bayraktar TB2 apart is its combat capability. It can carry precision-guided munitions, including smart micro-bombs designed for targeted strikes. These weapons minimize collateral damage while maintaining high effectiveness against armored vehicles, artillery systems, and defensive positions. The TB2 has proven itself in several conflicts, where it demonstrated the ability to neutralize advanced air defense systems and heavy armor with surprising efficiency. One of the key aspects behind its success is cost-effectiveness. Compared to traditional fighter jets or large military drones, the TB2 is relatively affordable. This lower cost allows countries to deploy multiple units simultaneously, creating a network of aerial surveillance and strike capability. In modern warfare, quantity combined with smart coordination can sometimes outweigh expensive, complex platforms. The drone operates through a ground control station, which can be mobile and set up in strategic locations. Operators control the aircraft via secure data links. While earlier models relied heavily on line-of-sight communication, newer configurations have expanded operational flexibility. This has increased its appeal to various countries seeking advanced drone capabilities without the massive budget required for high-end Western systems. The global attention surrounding the Bayraktar TB2 significantly increased during recent conflicts, where footage of its precision strikes circulated widely on social media. These videos not only showcased its technical capability but also highlighted how information warfare and drone footage now play a role in shaping public perception. The TB2 became more than just a military asset, it became a symbol of technological innovation and strategic effectiveness. Another interesting factor is how the TB2 fits into the broader evolution of drone warfare. In the past, drones were primarily used for reconnaissance. Today, platforms like the Bayraktar TB2 combine surveillance and strike capabilities into one integrated system. This dual function reduces response time between identifying a target and engaging it. Speed and precision are critical in modern battlefields, and the TB2 delivers both. Despite its advantages, it's important to understand that no system is invincible. As drone technology evolves, so do counter-drone systems, including electronic warfare and advanced air defenses. The effectiveness of any drone depends on strategy, environment, and the technological balance between opposing forces. Still, the TB2 has undeniably proven that relatively compact unmanned systems can have a massive strategic impact. From an engineering perspective, the TB2 represents how innovation can emerge from focused development and domestic production. Turkey's investment in its defense industry has enabled companies like Baker to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers and create homegrown solutions tailored to their operational needs. This independence in production has also made the TB2 attractive in the international arms market. At Wheels Vibe, we usually talk about horsepower on the road, but today we explored horsepower in the sky. The Bayraktar TB2 shows how mobility, technology, and smart design are no longer limited to cars and bikes. They extend into advanced aerial systems that are redefining modern engineering and warfare. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most influential unmanned aerial vehicles, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode from Wheels Vibe. Let us know in the comments what machine you want us to cover next, whether it's on the ground or soaring above the clouds. Until next time, keep the engines running and the vibes strong.